My name is Michelle McNichols, and we're going to have a short lesson today on context clues. I know we've covered it during the course of the year, but just in case you forgot, context clues are the clues that are embedded in a sentence, a passage, or a story that help you better understand what the word means or help you better comprehend the passage. Authors give you context clues in several different kinds of ways. They give it to you in a definition or an explanation. They give it to you in a restatement format, which is the same as a synonym. They also give it to you in a contrasting format, which is an antonym. And they do it by using punctuation, which will be set off with a comma. And just to throw in a little bit of FYI, that's also an appositive. I'm going to give you a sentence and we're going to find the context clues together. The first sentence is Samuel felt remorse or shame for his actions yesterday. And you're going to have to excuse my handwriting. I know it is horrible. But when you read this sentence, you should find a word that gives you pause, or possibly you've never heard before, or you don't quite understand the meaning of. And I'm going to give you a minute and let you read it for yourself. And now let's read it together. Samuel felt remorse or shame for his actions yesterday. Now, when you read that, the word that gives me pause is the word remorse. I'm going to give you your own sentence in just a few minutes, and that's what I want you to do. I want you to underline the word that you don't quite understand. So that word is remorse. So right about now, you're scratching your temple, you're thinking, what does that word mean? Remember, I told you there are several ways that you find the context clues of a sentence. And I'll go back over that really quickly. It's either going to come to you in a definition format, a restatement, which is the same as a synonym, a contrast, which is the same as an antonym, or by punctuation. Now, we do have punctuation in this sentence, and it came after the word remorse, and that is or shame. So, since that falls in the category of one of our ways to find it, we're going to naturally assume that remorse means the same as shame. So, that's a synonym format. And it also has the punctuation. So, you have two clues in that sentence. Pretty easy, huh? Again, this is to better help you understand what it is you're reading. It gives you a little bit of insight on Samuel, how he felt. And it also told you that he did this yesterday. Okay? So I'm going to erase this sentence. I'm going to put you guys a sentence. And you're going to find it for yourselves. The second sentence is, Ricardo is so arrogant. And I don't know about you, but I like that word arrogant. Second sentence. He needs to learn to be humble like his brother. Okay, I want you to take a minute and read that sentence for yourself. Okay, now let's read it together. Actually, both sentences. Ricardo is so arrogant, he needs to learn to be humble like his brother. Now, we're going to pause right there. I'm going to let you guys figure out the context clues for yourself. Okay. Remember, the first thing you guys were supposed to do was identify the word that gave you pause, that you had never heard before, or that you didn't quite understand. Hopefully, you guys underlined the word arrogant. And in your mind, you were thinking about the 4 different ways I gave you to find the context clues, or to figure out the definition to the word arrogant. The second sentence is the clue. He needs to learn to be humble like his brother. I know you figured it out. Arrogant. In this sentence, we use the format that was the opposite. So arrogant means the opposite of humble, which was the antonym form of finding the definition to the word arrogant. Again, the importance of context clues are to broaden your vocabulary and to give you a better understanding of what it is you're reading. It is all about comprehension. Okay, I enjoyed you guys. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you guys soon. Love you.